Selenium or Cypress, which tool is best? Do you face all this problem? Then check out our video.
Hi, I'm Bhagyashree and welcome you to all our YouTube channel AxelBuzz Testing, where you will learn in easy simple way. In this video, we are going to see comparison between two famous tools, automation tools Selenium and Cypress. So let's get started. Why compare Selenium and Cypress? Cypress and Selenium are test automation tools used for functional testing of web applications by automating browser actions. Selenium has been widely used tools for the years, whereas Cypress is very recently introduced tool in the test community. In spite of Cypress is being recently introduced, it has gained significant traction. With such significant growth in the adoption of Cypress, it's natural for testers to compare two before choosing the ideal tool for their test automation. So the question is, how does Cypress compare to Selenium? Is Selenium or Cypress is better than, or which is best alternative? An easy way to answer this question is to evaluate the advantages and limitations of each tool. So we'll see here. Cypress is purely JavaScript based front-end testing tool built for modern web. It aims to address the pain points of developer or QA engineer face while testing the application. Using Cypress, QAs or developers can create unit test, integration test, end-to-end testing is also possible. Following the agile methodology, front-end developers have been started creating their own test cases. JavaScript is widely using language among the front-end developers. The fact that Cypress is purely based on JavaScript indicates how this tool is designed to meet the needs of front-end developer in particularly. Naturally, one needs to be proficient in JavaScript before getting started with the Cypress testing. Even QA can use Cypress efficiently if they know the JavaScript very well. Even QA can use same folder where unit test has been run from developers team. There are certain advantages of Cypress. Cypress framework captures snapshot at the time of test execution. This allows QA or developers to hover over a specific command in command log and see what exactly happened at the particular step. So one doesn't need to add explicit and implicit wait commands in the test scripts. Unlike Selenium, Cypress waits automatically for commands and assertions. Developers and QAs can use spice, stubs, clocks to verify and control the behavior of server responses, functions, or timers. Automatic scrolling operation ensures that the element is in view before the performing any action. Earlier, Cypress support only for Chrome testing. However, in recent updates, Cypress is now provide the support for Firefox and Edge browsers as well. As programmer write commands, Cypress executes them in real time, providing visual feedback or video as they run. Cypress carries excellent documentation. So these are some advantages. Now let's see the limitations of Cypress. We cannot run our scripts on two browsers at a time. It doesn't support for multi-tabs. It doesn't support any other language than JavaScript. We cannot automate desktop and mobile apps. Safari and Internet Explorer support is not there till now for Cypress. So these are very few limitations why we will not choose Cypress as our automation test tool. Let's see the Selenium now. What is Selenium? Selenium is open source automation tool that supports web browsers. Selenium supports multiple languages like Ruby, Python, Java, etc. Using Selenium, QA can create test cases for browsers by downloading browser-specific drivers. Let's see few advantages of Selenium. It is compatible with multiple OS like Windows, Unix, Linux, Mac. It provides QA the flexibility to select the programming language of their choice like Java, Ruby, Python in which they are comfortable. Compatible with modern browsers like Safari, Chrome, Firefox, etc. Let's understand few limitations. There is no inbuilt command for automatic generation of test results. Handling page load and element load is very difficult. Every time that you have to give wait condition or page load conditions. Limited support for testing images. Creating test cases is very time consuming. difficult to set up the test environment as compared to Cypress. In Cypress, you have to just install Node.js and Cypress and you are good to go. But in Selenium, you have to install the Selenium, you have to install Java, you have to create folders, you have to download the drivers for specific browsers, and there is so much work to do. So compare in comparison, Selenium is bit difficult to install and Cypress is bit easy to install. Now what to prefer or what to choose as an automation tool for our test scripts. First point you can consider on basis of previous analysis, means which advantages and limitations we have been discussed in the video. You can choose the automation. If you know what kind of technology you are using, then you can choose accordingly. If you know which team is going to use, if your developers along with the QA team both are using, then you can go for Cypress. If only QA team is using and there is no development team is involved, then you can go for Selenium. As I told before, Cypress only supports JavaScript and test scripts. So if you are comfortable with JavaScript, then you can go with Cypress as it is very faster too. But if you are not comfortable with JavaScript and any other language you are using, then you can opt for Selenium. As you know, it is very easy to debug and troubleshoot in Cypress as it captures the videos and screenshots, so you can opt on these parameters. Otherwise, you can choose Selenium. Cypress ecosystem contains Cypress Test Runner, which is open source, locally installed and freely available. But Cypress dashboard, which is used for reports generation, it is paid version. If you are comfortable in paid version as well, then you can go for Cypress. But Selenium is purely open source and free of cost, so you can opt for that as well. By using all these parameters, you can easily choose which automation tool you have to use. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any queries, please write down us in comment section. Happy testing. Bye bye.